What you saying, gals? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. Today I'm going to show you how to lay your edges, and I'm talking lay. Always make sure your hair is already fixed. In this case, this is the style I'm going for, a half up, half down. I just feel like when your hair is fixed, your edges are more exposed, so it's easier to deal with. You can shape it as according to your hairstyle. What you're going to need to slay your edges for beginners, you're going to need some edge control. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster. Each edge control differs. This one is a very thick consistency and works for me. Then you're going to need a rat tail comb, or you can use a brush, but I just find that the rat tail comb been working for me lately, so yeah, get a rat tail comb. And then get something to tie your edges down. Like, this is very important afterwards, so you can lay your edges down. Okay, I have 4C edges, so y'all know the struggle. I always comb out my edges just so I can see it exposed, so I can see which direction I'm going, which shape I'm going, how much is exposed, what I can do. So there you have it, my edges is exposed. Now we're gonna go into this edge control, and we're just gonna put it on some of the areas. Like, I find that this technique here works so much better for me rather than leaving it on the brush, because then I get to shape it how I want. So we're applying the edge control to our edges. Boom. In this case, I want my edges, so I'm using the comb as my guide, using my finger to bring it down. So now we can shape the sides. Use the comb as your guide. Trace with your fingers. And then you go in and you fix as needed. As you can see, this side is pretty much completed. So now we're going to move to this side here. Once again, use the comb as your guide. Trace with your fingers. So I'm just swooping it with the comb, tracing it with my fingers, making a little line to line it into the plait or the twist. And then I take my fingers and bring it down. Gotta have your baby hairs. And with this, you can always hit or miss with this, but I just feel like you always gotta play with it. Do it as natural as possible. Like, y'all see my edges look very cute, very subtle for the style. Some swoops, some pull up, and now we're gonna go in with something to tie it down. I like to use a stocking. You can use the hair ties. Anything which you like to tie your hair down with, you can use. Just something to lay it down. Literally doing this for about 30 seconds tops. And this is the time. This is the time where you can just add a little bit more oils to your hair if needed, or you can just leave it be. But I always, my favorite part about doing my edges is always the after effect, how it looks after it come out of the tie down session. Then I know it's like laid. So let me unreveal it now, because we should be tied down. and as you can see, it's laying much more flatter. So there you have it, how to lay your edges in literally 5 minutes. Like, this takes me no time to lay my edges, and I only use 3 things. So if you have any questions, you can drop it down below in the comments, or you can let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and join the family. Thank you guys so much for watching.